The mystery of mutiny, unraveling its meaning. Hello, dear learners. Today, we'll dive into the intriguing world of English phrases and learn about the term mutiny. By the end of this video, you'll understand its meaning, its origin, and how to use it in sentences. Let's get started. Mutiny is a noun that refers to a rebellion against authority, especially by sailors or soldiers against their officers. Imagine being on a ship where the crew decides they no longer want to follow the captain's orders. They rise up, refuse to obey, and take control of the ship. That act is called a mutiny. In a broader sense, mutiny can refer to any rebellion or uprising against established authority or leadership. The word mutiny originates from the Middle French word mutin, which means rebellious. Over time, the English language adopted it, and it evolved into the word we know today. Its association with naval revolts probably helped solidify its current meaning. Understanding a word is great, but knowing how to use it is even better. Here are some examples. 1. The captain feared a mutiny among the crew due to the harsh conditions on board. 2. The soldiers staged a mutiny when they learned of the general's corrupt actions. 3. The students' refusal to attend classes was seen as a mutiny against the school's new policies. To further deepen your understanding, here are a few related terms. Rebellion, a general term for an act of violent or open resistance to an established government or ruler. Revolt, a rise in opposition or rebellion against established authority. Insurrection, a violent uprising or rebellion against an authority or government. All these terms, including mutiny, have nuances that set them apart, but they all revolve around the central idea of resisting authority. And that's mutiny for you. It's more than just a word. It represents a powerful act of defiance against authority. We hope this video has shed light on its meaning and usage. Remember, the English language is filled with rich and fascinating terms, and each one has its own story. Keep learning, and until next time, happy studying.